Based in Michigan City, Indiana, Fiberbond Corporation has been producing advanced textile products for more than 65 years. Fiberbond is a precision manufacturer of non-woven textile products that must meet rigorous standards for various industry applications, such as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning filtration, industrial finishing, and antimicrobial filter media. Fiberbond's product line also diversifies into specialty sealing, household goods, cosmetics, geotextiles, aquatics, and building and construction. Technology Evaluation Centers, TEC, a world leader in impartial software evaluation and selection, helped Fiberbond to replace its legacy software that was not meeting its complex needs and had too many manual processes. TEC's project team helped Fiberbond to define business requirements, evaluate and select the best fit ERP vendor and implementer, and supported them with the contract negotiations while clarifying the implementation process and deliverables. This video includes conversation and quotes from Greg Wilkerson, President Fiberbond, and Frank Gasaway, VP Manufacturing, Fiberbond. TEC not only helped us with answering questions, they helped us know which questions to ask.
I believe that TEC gave us very, very good insight regarding what we could ask for in the sense of subscription, how we could defer some things, as well as areas that we should make sure that was included in the agreement. And so it was, I think that they provided good insight for us and guidance on the negotiation. But when it got down to the final dollars and cents, both on the implementation side and subscription, the TEC team was able to give us some good direction that helped save us, definitely save us money on the outlay and deference of some of the subscription, as well as reduction and ways to possibly reduce the quote unquote implementation areas or costs, let's say, therein.
I think TEC really gave us the guidance that we needed to make, to clear up any of the nuances, or try to understand the nuances to really see what the value of the product that we were getting. And I think TEC was able to clear the fog on that.
TEC helped us keep focused on our future approach instead of just getting by for the next few years. We established the right software company to grow with in the future with the least headaches and cost. Technology Evaluation Centers would like to thank Greg Wilkerson and Frank Gasaway of Fiberbond for their time and observations in the making of this video. We are Technology Evaluation Centers. For more information, please contact us.